So now let's talk about what is ETL testing. In a simple nutshell, I just want to say the ETL testing is done to ensure that the data has been loaded from a source to the destination after you applying the business transformation is accurate. It also involves the verification of data at various middle stages that are being used between the source and destination. And ETL stands for extract, transform, load. Now let's talk more in detail with the help of data visualization. In real time, what will happen? If you see this diagram closely, so you are getting the data from CRM system, you might be getting the data from the ERP, you might be getting the data from your customer, the flat files. The flat files can be the ERP, the flat files can be the CSV file, the Excel file, or you are getting the data from the unstructured form. What is unstructured data? It can be in the form of images, it can be in the form of videos, and it can be in the form of text data now. So once these data are coming from the different sources, you are loading the data in the ODS system. So what is mean by ODS? ODS is online data transformation system now. So after loading the data towards your staging environment, staging environment is the one where you are massaging the data, you are transforming the data, you are applying the conditions, you are applying the business rules. And this is the area, the staging area, where we are producing the quality data now. And once we are transforming the data, applying the conditions, and cleaning the data, then we are loading the data towards our data warehouse now. And once your millions of billions of records are moving towards the data warehouses, this is the area, then we are developing the small data sets. So in a one business unit, might be they are interested to see only the sales data. Another business team, they are expecting to see their financial data, or another business department, they are only observing and expecting for data with respect to HR department. So you are making a different data bricks, and those data bricks then presenting towards the expected data sources in front of the dashboards reports, and those dashboards reports will be presenting towards the end user. And this is how the ecosystem of ETL testing will come up into the stage, and the dashboards of beautiful data illustrations will be produced when the business users, or you have seen here the BI is written, the business intelligence will be getting for the expected users when they have all their expected outcomes. So this will be the agenda of our ETL testing, and this is the stage where QA tester will come. The staging, the data loading towards the warehousing. So the job of a ETL tester, he or she responsible and accountable for make sure this thing that the data which is loading in the data warehouse, that data must be meeting the end customer business requirements. In the next session, we will be seeing more in detail how we can adopt and proceed towards our ETL testing.